y'all, so I'm also recording for TikTok and YouTube. So I just went through a little unboxing of the things that I recently purchased, and yeah, just get into it with me and do a try on haul just to get a little more acquainted with my channel and just to grow my feed. So first, I'm gonna open up my aloe boxes. I put everything inside of here. So first things first, I have this package. It says she's sparkling, so I believe this is phone cases that I ordered. So it's definitely tea. Let me use something to help me open this. So I have ordered a AirPod case, little false, not false, but like little like fake or like not fake, but like replica brand wallet. So I ordered that. And I got some cutesy phone cases. I'm gonna show you guys in a few how they look up close and personal. But I love them so much, and they're definitely my faves. I love shopping with her. She has all these different brands, all these different colors, all these different looks that I love to go for. So I'm like, you know what? Let's purchase and let's support a black-owned business. Like, why not? Next, I have another package. It's from Black Girl Vitamins. I seen this on TikTok because my hair grew a lot within like the last 2 months just by taking vitamins and greasing my scalp continuously. So I'm like, you know what, this is the packaging. Take it out, and then these are the vitamins here. I'm gonna give you guys close-ups as I'm going. Yeah, I cannot wait to try these. It says Black Girl Vitamins. I'm a black girl and I need some vitamins, so we'll be definitely taking that pretty soon. This is the main attraction. This is also hair oil. So we're gonna open this up and see what it's looking like and see what it's giving. Alrighty, so this is the hair oil. Extra strength rosemary fenugreek oil. Hair growth oil. So I can't wait to use this on my scalp and grow my hair and basically see the changes that it will make in my, my hair. Basically, I just cannot wait to see my hair grow and flourish as it should be. Something from Wait a Minute. What do you guys think it is? Like, what do you think it's gonna give? Like, is it giving like an actual outfit? Is it giving PJs? Is it giving Christmas? Like, what do you think it's about to be giving? Let's open it and find out. Oh, actually, we're gonna do it first. So I got this package from BCJ. What do you think? What do y'all think this is? So I got alright, so first off, as soon as you open the package, Jada Chivas Beauty. And your girl got a leg combo. I'm gonna try it on in a few so you guys can see up close and personal of how it looks and really get the tea on it. This is the packaging, and then this is basically how it comes. Jada Chivas Beauty lip liner, tinted lip gloss, and lip oil. So yeah, I'm gonna do a close up so you guys can see what it's giving. Next up, I ordered some AirPods because I lost the other pair that I had. And I'm like, you know what? I feel like, I don't think these are going to be my last, but I'm trying to think positive and hope that these are my last pair of AirPods that I'm buying, because I bought about probably 6 pairs of AirPods since the AirPods even came out. I'm tired of spending my money, my hard-earned money at that, on some freaking AirPods that I keep using one pair of. It's annoying. It's very annoying. But that's neither here nor there. So I got myself my AirPods. Also, I got an aloe toothpaste set here. I'm gonna try it on for you guys in a few. We have this aloe toothpaste set. Let me fix my chin real quick. Alright, so here we have this aloe toothpaste set. I love it so much, and it really sculpts your body. It looks cutesy. It's very much demure. I'm just feeling myself because I could pair this with like Uggs, and I could pair with sneakers. You could pair with anything. It's like athletic wear, and it's so thick. I love the quality. The quality is top tier. It's worth spending your hard-earned money because you need to go make it back. Period. But yes, I love this two-piece set so freaking much, y'all. And oh my god, I had it on in my hair vlog when I went to get my hair done. I had this on, but I didn't get to do an unboxing video because, you know, I want to show what I got, you know, just to put y'all on to a little game, you know. But yes, I love this so much, and thank y'all so much because this set is definitely one of the ones. I love it so much. It's so cute, and I love wearing black. It's so cute. It definitely sculpts your body really nice. Yes, I'm feeling myself. And let's open these. Wait a minute package. I've been supporting Jada Chivas real bad. So I want some love back. So let's open it. So Sylvia packed my order. Thank you, Sylvia. Great, Sylvia. Alrighty, so I had ordered the pajama set, the shorts and the tank. I'm also gonna take a picture in it with the girls, you know. So these are the shorts. And then this is the tank. They're just so freaking cute. This is the tank right here. And that's the shorts. I'm in love with the things that I bought. Alrighty, y'all. So this is the Wayman two-piece set. It is a little revealing. So I'm just gonna make this quick. This is the back. This is the front. It's really cute. See, it's definitely cute to wear in the house. But y'all. So Christmas came. Oh, I'm not done. I'm not done. Hold on. I thought I was like, I'm not done yet. Let's move this all to the side. No shade, no tea, okay? And let's get into that big dog. So, I got a package from Aritzia. Oh, it comes in an Aritzia bag. It's so cute. Is that a bag or is that a box? It is an Aritzia bag. Let's wrap it. Alright, so y'all know this logo. It's Aritzia. So, let's just open this up and see what they're going to give me. They're not playing, like, they're not playing about that packaging at all. And I bought myself a nice little coat. Yeah, y'all, so I bought myself this nice long black Aritzia coat. I have a bunch of coats already, but I'm like, I don't need nothing name brand. Like, if I see something I like, it doesn't have to be like a name brand, a couple $1,000 or a couple $100. I don't have to spend crazy money just to get something cute. All I spent on this, I think it was probably $300 flat. Well, after tax it's $357, but they did have a sale. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it, y'all. It feels so good. I love it so much. Yeah, y'all, I'm really in love with this jacket. It's so nice and long. It's so warm. I already have another Aritzia jacket. And now this is like the official like long jacket. That like this is the longest jacket I've ever had. I'm really loving it, y'all. Y'all even understand. And it's a medium, and I can put like a sweater and stuff under it. It's so cutesy. I love it so much. Now I'm like a grown woman now. I love it so much. I'm in love, y'all. But yeah, this is the first thing I'm trying on. This is my jacket. Did a 360. Check the inside out. This is very long, y'all. This is like to my shin. Like, well, I'm short. I'm 5'3", And this is to like here on me. So I love my jacket so much. And they have this piece right here. It keeps your hands warm. Aritzia got it, that thing. One thing about Aritzia coats, they're very warm. I did not know. Like, if I would have knew this before, I would have been got a coat or been shopping at Aritzia. I haven't been shopping at Aritzia. Like, am I missing out? Whatever. But yeah, I'm so satisfied with my coat. I can't wait to wear it out and be that girl. So let's go on to the next.